welcome to my channel. If you've never been here before, then welcome for the first time. So today I'm going to be doing a hair video. I know I never ever do hair videos. I probably should do more of them. I just don't enjoy hair videos as much, but probably because I have to deal with this that's on my head. So like I said, this is a lot. I don't feel like doing it all the time, and so we're going through quarantine right now. I have a lot of time on my hands, so I figured I would use this time to come up with a different hairstyle for myself. And I wouldn't really say come up with, I've done this style before, but I have not done this style in my hair since my hair was long and black. I'm a blonde now, and this is going to be interesting. So today I'm going to be doing twists in my hair. Like I said, I've done this before, and I'm going to insert some pics right here. Yeah, I will be doing, I guess you could say, kind of passion twists or whatever. I don't know. I like to call them a morph, like between passion twists and goddess locks and Lowkey Marley braid or twist or whatever. Because here's the thing with me. I just personally, my preference is not that super silky, super like neat, like braiding style or twisting style. I like to have me that Lisa Bonet look. I like that raggedy, a little bit like it looks like you just been growing dreads in the wild a little bit. Like, it's not dreads, but I guess because it's raggedier, it helps me kind of pull off the kind of dreaded Lisa Bonet, Zoe Kravitz look, only with doing passion twists. But yeah, it's the water wave braid, pre-stretched. It's actually for crocheting, but yeah, it's the only hair in the store that I could find that was gonna work for me, because a lot of the hair stores are closed. It's like a dark to light brown kind of little color. I wanted blonde, like a shade of some type of blonde, but not that platinum blonde, but couldn't find that, so this was the closest thing I could get. Now I figured since my hair is light, it would kind of make this part appear lighter, and then it would go down into this color, which would make it less awkward. But I don't know, this could go really bad or it could go really well, so we're gonna see. Ooh. Oh, one thing I should, okay, no, let me just start. Where my kid scissors at? Oh, that was dumb. You got it. Didn't need any scissors. Alright, sorry about that. My SD card was getting full. It's gonna be bouncy and all of that. Oh, this is when you fill out the bundle so everybody can see. First things first, I need to put my hair up. Let me do that. Alright, so I got this snazzy little scrunchie right here. So what we're gonna do, let me mention something, by the way. Since I told you that I'm not going for the super neat look, I mean that all the way. So if you're not going for a messy boho vibe, you may not want to try this. The way I part my hair, it's not going to be in them little cute little super neat squares. I want it to be messy. I want it to be unpredictable. I'm just part, and that's just it. And I feel like that's easier anyway. But I mean, if you're going for the neat look, I think the neat look is cute. It's just not me. So if you're going for the neat look, don't do that. Alright, so I'm gonna attempt to put half of my hair up. If I accomplish this, let me just say this now. If I accomplish this, you can, because I can't even part, y'all. I can't even part. So this is like the easiest tutorial ever, and the laziest. First of all, this is gonna be too much hair, so I'm gonna take about this much, I think. Yeah, about this much hair. So that's what looks like poofed out. That's what looks like stretched out. About that much hair is gonna go in one braid. I feel like I need to make that a little bit thicker. I don't know how much hair I got. We in quarantine. So you gotta be resourceful and not wasteful, because that one trip alone, I was risking it all. So I got about that much. I've combed through it. Let me just say, I don't put, I have like products in my hair from my wash and go. That's what's in my hair right now. If you need your hair moisturized, I definitely recommend moisturizing your hair with what you moisturize it with. Don't do anything too heavy, because then if it's anything like my hair, it's just gonna slip out. It's gonna slip out. So that's why I'm doing it on kind of oldish hair, old wash and go hair, instead of like fresh hair, so it can hold a little better. Yeah, that's not as detangled as I thought it was. All right, I'm taking just one of these little pieces, pulling it out. If it will come out, you know what, Jordan? All right, so it's decently long, but we definitely want it longer because we want it down the back. We want to be like that. Should I use one or two? I feel like I need two. I'm gonna use two pieces. I'm gonna kind of stagger them a bit so it can make it longer. See that right there? Way longer. And I'm going to comb through them. That way they won't get all tangled up, because my hair is already a problem. Like I said, not a professional here. Not a professional. I'm gonna separate these into two pieces. Separate my hair evenly into two pieces. So what I'm gonna do, I'm taking it to the root, and I'm gonna attach it both, not attach it, but you know, connect it to both pieces of my hair. And I'm gonna start twisting one side. So I'm gonna start twisting one side really tight. I'm twisting it, I guess, that would be clockwise. Because you want to twist them opposite directions. If you twist them the same direction, you're screwed. Alright, now I'm going to take this piece and go counterclockwise at the root. So if you got to put your finger right there, sorry if I'm flicking you off, then do that. Put your finger right there and twist, twist, twist until it feels safe. Alright, it feels kind of safe. Alright, now I'm going to actually connect those two twists really tight. And then I'm going to start twisting my way down. And I like to run my fingers through it as I'm going down. Let me get closer. Kind of like detangling it on the way down. And I do this even when I'm regularly braiding my hair. So you don't have to do it every time. Just run your finger through a couple of times as you're going down, when you feel it kind of start to, not knot up, but not be as smooth. See, like this hair is starting to try and connect to each other. So let me stretch them out a little bit more. Make sure you separate good, because I didn't separate this one as well. It's tight now, but it's definitely gonna loosen up and give me kind of that like little raggedy, like effortless look that I want. Still gonna go all the way down just to see where I want to cut it. Alright, so that's what the end looks like right now. It's gonna have to be cut. But yeah, that is my super easy. Ooh, I'm gonna show y'all this. It's my super easy little twist. A little hack for the truly lazy. So I bought these little bead thingies to give me a little bit of adornment. Great, now I can really use those scissors that I don't know where they are. Great. Alright, so like I said, for the lazies out there, like me, and the truly untalented, again, me. See this right here? So my hair starting to end right there. It's blonde, you can see it. It wants to act up. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna twist that a little bit more. What I'm gonna do, we're gonna hold that in place with this little clip. Boom. No redos over here, sis. Alright, so I look crazy right now. I'm about to work on this for a few hours. And I will see y'all tomorrow because I know I'm not going to finish tonight. So, see y'all tomorrow. Hey, greetings. I'm back and I have one piece left, as we can see. Dang, I look bald-headed. But this is part of my bangs, so that's why it's so short. So it's like brushed out. But y'all are gonna get to see how much of a difference it makes when the twist actually consists of most of the fake hair rather than my hair. It's like just so much more smoother. Like my hair makes it all bumpy, and I'll show y'all what I mean in a moment. Y'all, I ain't got no makeup on, my forehead out, I look pale. Look, quarantine life, okay? Alright, so I'm gonna split this last piece into twos. Like that. Yeah, that's even enough. I don't care. Alright, then, like I said, make it lopsided. So this side is longer than this side to give it that length. I got my hair, or the twist, clipped out the way now. Okay, so like I said, you want to pinch your hair together with the fake hair. And then I put my finger down the middle to kind of hold it. And then I just start twisting this side in one direction. This side is going counterclockwise. And then I keep my finger in the middle to hold it. And I start twisting the other one the other direction. Oof. And it might take you a couple tries to get like a really good grip on it. And I just keep moving my finger down to hold where I've twisted so it doesn't unravel. And now that I have both sides twisted, I twist them together. And just start twisting down. And just twist all the way down. Alright, and that's that on that. I am now finished. I'm now a long-haired goddess. And see, this is what I'm talking about. Like, my blonde hair is like, it comes out more than the regular hair. But it's not a big deal. It just kind of gives me the boho vibe even more. It does kind of suck because my hair is blonde. And so it's brown and then blondish again down here. But, I mean, it's not the worst thing ever. I don't look cute enough right now. So, cue the cameo.
Curious butterflies.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course.